I'm flying my Mavic Air 2 in UAE. In UAE, if you want to fly a drone, you have to register your drone in two places. One is in GCAA, the other one is in DCAA. I will explain you how to do that in a minute. Okay. In order to register your drone, you have to, as I told you before, you have to register in two places. One is in GCAA and the other one is in DCAA, Dubai Civil Aviation Authority and General Civil Aviation Authority. But the most important thing is that first you have to buy the drone to register in both the places. And in order to register, you have to get few information in hand before registering to both the places. So first I will explain regarding the GCAA and General Civil Aviation Authority. Then later we can go to the Dubai Civil Aviation Authority. So first you have to get the drone. You have to take a photo of your drone with all the propellers fit. You have to take the photo of the drone. Then in order to take the photo of the drone, you can keep the drone on a plain white surface, expand everything, expand all the things and fit all the propellers, keep it over there, take a photo. One photo is enough. Then what you have to do is, you have to get the serial number of the drone. In this case, in the DJI My Drone, in this drone, you can get the serial number from here. And you have to get a clear picture of the serial number of the drone. That is very important for you to upload into the website. Then you should have the copy of the Emirates ID. Again, you have to take a photo of the Emirates ID. So these are the two things you must need to register into the General Civil Aviation Authority. So in order to register into the General Civil Aviation Authority, first you have to go to the website of the General Civil Aviation Authority. So this is GCAA website. So www.gcaa.gov.ae. So go to that website and there you can see e-services. In the e-services, you go to the other services, and in the other services, you can see the drones. So just click over there and it will take you to this page. In this page, you can register your drone. Again, your valid Emirates ID is required and the drone photo is required, especially showing the color of the drone. In this case, it is gray, and the serial number of the drone is required. The photo, you have to upload all those things, and they will ask 2-3 questions: your name, your Emirates ID number and everything. Just register everything, fill the form and submit. Or the second option is to register yourself in My Drone Hub application, available for both iPhone and Android. This is the option which I have done to register in GCAA. Once you register your drone, you will get a certificate like this. So this is a certificate for you to fly the drone anywhere in UAE except Dubai. Once you register in GCAA, they will either send you the certificate within 3 days by email on your registered email ID, or if you have already done it through the application, the My Drone Hub application, you will get the e-certificate on your mobile. With GCAA, you can fly anywhere, the drone anywhere in UAE except Dubai. So if you want to fly the drone in Dubai, then you have to register in DCAA, Dubai Civil Aviation Authority. So in order to register in Dubai Civil Aviation Authority, again you require your Emirates ID copy, your drone photo, the drone color and the drone serial number, and apart from that, a passport size photo of yours and a training certificate. So training certificate is very must in Dubai. And registration fee in Dubai Civil Aviation Authority is approximately 120 dirhams, which I paid. So depending upon when you are registering, what is the government renewed charges that you have to pay. First thing for the Dubai Civil Aviation Authority registration is the getting a training certificate. So I done the training in one of the training company which is called Exponent Technologies. So I have done a training over there, and this is my certificate I got from the. Take that training certificate, copy of the training certificate, then go to the Dubai Civil Aviation Authority website. I will put that website in, down, link will be given. So go over there, register with all the details, whatever they have provided. Then upload the training certificate into the website. Then after that you have to pay 120 dirhams, which I paid. So depending upon the fees whichever the government has updated to you, you have to pay that one. And then in the Dubai Civil Aviation Authority, you have to register as a, in my case I have registered as a hobbyist. So hobbyist, it is only 120 dirhams, only the fees. So once you register over there in the Dubai Civil Aviation Authority, you will get a hobbyist certificate like full certificate. So if you put a photo, your photo will come in this particular portion over here. So once you get this registration card, nowadays they are not giving you the plastic card, they are just giving you the e-certificate. You can convert that later into your e-certificate card. But now they are giving e-copy, so you can, with that copy, you can fly the drone anywhere in UAE. So including Dubai, anywhere you can fly. And how you will know the where you can fly? That way you can get that information in the application. So for that reason, it's a must that you have to download my drone hub, the application on your mobile, and there will be a map showing which all areas you can fly your drone, which all areas you shouldn't fly the drone, and restricted, warning zones, everything, it will be marked on the map. So whenever you are going outside for any filming or any activities, you have to look into this map and you have to decide whether it is what type of zone you are trying to fly your drone. Now I will tell you what all things for you to get the certificate for this drone. So this is very must. It is a very must for you to get Dubai Civil Aviation Authority approval. You have to get a training certificate. So this training certificate I got from is a company called Exponent Technology Services, which is in Dubai. The link for their website is shown down. You can go over there and check it out. I went over there, and they give you a training about everything, including the different components of the drone, how the drone is flying, everything they will explain regarding the drone. So this once you have the entire class, you will have the very good idea about the drone, how it flies, what is the physics behind it, and what all are the components inside the drone, and all these necessary information will be given by the training institute. For in my case, the Exponent Technology, the advisor has given me the full information regarding the product, the service, and everything, and it was very informative to me to attend that training. And then they will do a brief test, an online test or is there, so you have to do that test. Then after that there will be a flying test where they will say to maneuver your craft or the drone in different directions, and you have to do that one. And once all the test is passed, they will give you this training certificate. So training certificate, then you have to register all the things inside the DCA website, then with the photo of the drone and with the serial number, you can register in DCAA. Then after that, you can take your drone and fly anywhere in the allowed zone in Dubai. So this is my whole drone experience. Thank you very much.